Hi everybody, it's Kate with Crate Insider, and it is time for Top 5 Tuesday for Tuesday, May 20th, 2025. And what we have here today are the few products I want to talk about. Let's kick it off though with something that we just got back in stock, and this is from our friends over at Receiver. This is the professional earpiece deal here that you can actually create your own molds. So it has all that you need for being able to create your own molds. Now, like how it works is you get this pink stuff and the white stuff and you mix it together, almost like an epoxy. Definitely want to do this with a friend. I would not suggest trying to do this on your own. And again, this has all the instructions in it, but you'll put a little bit of cotton in your ear. You mix this up, put this in there, and let it dry for just a few minutes. And then you'll be able to pop that out, each side, of course. And then you'll be able to put these molds into the mail, and then that will actually turn into the official Receiver professional, custom molded earpieces. So it's not an instant thing. I mean, the molds themselves are instant, but you'll need to send them in, and all of that is in here, all of the label and everything you need to make that happen. And then those will be created and sent right back out to you, and you will have your own professional earpieces. So a great kit. And if you've been looking to do that, there's no better time than now if you don't already have a set. So one of our favorites around here, and we've gone through them pretty quickly and just got a new shipment in. So we just have a few of them on the shelf that haven't left us quite yet. So with that, let's take a look at a few other products this week. And I thought, that we get a lot of questions about tires and what are the best products to use with them. And so one of our favorites here is the Daytona 1 Aqua X. So the Aqua X is a cleaner. Now I know we've got other products here that may or may not be suitable for running with your series, but the Aqua X is a cleaner. And you can actually take this 1 gallon and turn it into 2 gallons. So you can mix it down, and it's really great for even when your tires are brand new and they've got that mold release. And if you're not familiar with mold release, think of it as like, Pam spray, like when you're spraying a pan with Pam, so it's like non-stick, kind of like that. That's what they do before they put any of the rubber into the molds for tires, is they spray them down with something, and the idea is that when that tire is done, that it'll come out of the mold. I mean, we all want that, of course, but can leave a film that's on those tires, and this will clean that off. But it also does a great job with cleaning off dirt and even red clay. So, and it's not toxic. It's none of those things. It will do a great job of opening up that tire, really like opening up the pores of the tire and really, really getting it clean. So that is a great thing about Aqua X. Now, the other things with your tires, maybe you're getting ready for some big races this weekend. And again, as long as you can do it with your series, we have a tire groover and a siper over here too. And we even have the blades. So we've got a variety of blades that you can use for grooving your tires. And you can see all of this over on our website. So if you need a new groover or a siper, then now we do definitely have these in stock, and the blades as well. And so if you need to replace those or you just need blades, we can help take care of that for you. Another thing, might be a good time to change your oil. And we haven't talked about our Schaefer oil for a little while, but it is one of our most popular oils. I've been selling that oil for many, many years, I think about since the start of Crate Insider. And it's a very popular oil to be used, whether you've got a 602, a 604, a 525. It's great for all of those different engines, great for a lot of racers. And we sell it in a number of different ways. We sell it either by the quart, we sell it by the case of 12, and we also sell it in oil change kits where it comes with 7 quarts of oil and an oil filter. And we even have it where you can get 7 quarts of oil, an oil filter, plus our Daytona 1 XL1 engine treatment that just makes this oil it improves the oil. And it improves your performance. That's the most important part. When it really gets down to it though, I just want to kind of meet people where they are. And so it's not any a lot of times when you buy lesser quantities, you're going to have the price jacked up on you. We don't do that. So whatever our case price is, we divide that by 12, and that's how much a quart is. So we might be off by a penny or two, but nothing major. So you can get exactly what you need. I can only imagine, how frustrating it is. You need 7 quarts for, a 602 or a 604. but things come in 12s. So there's no good number of cases that would make up the right number of oil changes. So we just decided a long time ago just to go ahead and sell you exactly how much you need for you to have an oil change and make it easy. And then something fun I just wanted to highlight, is just that we've got on the shelf here is our racer tape. So you can see we have it in a number of different colors. Really, really handy tool to have, when you need some tape for whatever reason, whether you need to add an X to your number, or if you want to kind of tape something into place. We've got the obviously the red, blue, black, and white is very, very handy. And we even have this checkered tape. Now this is more decorative than it is useful. I mean, not that it's not useful, but it's more decorative than anything, and it actually comes in strips, and you have to peel the back off. If nothing else, it's kind of fun to put some checkered flag things on, whatever, toolboxes. We all like checkered flags. So that is going to wrap things up for us for this week for Top 5 Tuesday for May 20th, 2025. I want to thank you so much for watching. Hit that like and subscribe, and I will look forward to seeing you in another video. And remember, we are here to help you win.